Recap 26 years of tips and fairs and hobbies, and we're printing something right now. Could be from outer space. Stay tuned. Bye for now. So it's a ship, and it's from the Earth stood still. Okay. I'm going to use enamel paint here. Let that dry. It's a simple model. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless you. Please rate, subscribe, and give the thumbs up. See you in the next video. Bye for now.